Hello, Doc Tharp here. Today I am going to walk you through setting up Google Analytics, and what I've done is I've got a website, kevinwtharp.com, that I have been using primarily as a sandbox up to this point, but now I'm going to make a transition to actually using it for a purpose other than just self-learning and maybe a little bit of sharing. But so one of the things that I want to do is I want to go in and I want to set up Google Analytics on this site. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to analytics.google.com. Now, if you have already got an account, you'd be able to just log on right now, and I do have one of those accounts. But if you don't, what you would need to do is you need to choose Create an Account. So, and then when you get there, it's going to be the typical setup, the things that you need to do to sign up for an account. And you're setting up a Google account to do that. So if you have an existing Gmail account, you can add your analytics to that. That's in fact what I'm going to do. And so once you get your account set up and you've logged into that account, it's going to bring you to this first page, the accounts page. And what I want to do is I want to choose to add an account. And the way that I'm going to add that account is I'm going to choose this admin panel. And inside that admin panel, I'm going to choose New Account. So then when you get in there, typical of all these kind of things, you're going to follow a path answering some questions. So in this case, I'm doing a website, and that will give you a set of different tools that you can use at that point. And in this case, I'm going to be doing it for kevinwtharp.com. And so I enter my URL in there. And one of the things that you will need to take into consideration when you're doing this is when you're setting up your account, what you want to do with the data sharing settings. So in other words, do you want to share this data with other Google products, with other Google and with others, and with account specialists? And I'm going to choose Get Tracking ID. And of course, you're going to have to choose to accept their terms. And what it's going to do is it's going to bring you a page, and it's going to give you a tracking ID and some tracking code. Now what you're going to need to do, that'll be the next video, is you're going to need to take that code and you're going to need to insert that code into the website that you're going to use it on, and it will need to be on all the pages that you need to have tracked.